Genesee County in north central Arkansas, western Izard County in north. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Grant County in central Arkansas, southeastern Saline County in central Arkansas, northeastern Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas until 11:30 p.m. At 10:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Perla, or near Malvern, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Benton, Bryant, Malvern, Haskell, Rockport, Traskwood, Tall, Hoenn, Perla, King Creek, Salem in Saline County, East End, Alexander, Bauxite, Belfast, Sardis, Fanter, Gifford, Shaw, Glen Rose. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning